In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Pokebox to keep your Poke cards in. We're going to cut our board to 4.5 on our table saw. Now you want to mark 6 inches, and we're going to cut on our chop saw. Once we have 4 of these pieces now, we're ready to make our dado cuts. And we're going to lower the blade so we can get our dado. And we're going to keep running these 2 boards till we can fit this in there. Now we got our dado cuts in. We're gonna make dado cuts to put our bottom in now. Now that we got our dados cut where we can fit our bottom piece in, just like that, so you can see. Now we're gonna cut the bottom piece to fit the size, so we can put our other 2 on. Okay, once you get your bottom piece to fit in there, we're gonna glue it together, use some wood glue, and then clamp it down. Now we're going to be making our top piece. We're going to measure our width and our length to get our top. Okay, now that we got our top all cut out, you want it to be flush on every side, just like that, as you can see. Now we're going to put our hinge on the very back. We're going to use some thin piece of wood, and we're going to put it together like that. So we're going to have 4 pieces of these, and as you can see, I made it like a Chevy sign, and that's going to be the front. And I'm going to cut this out on the bandsaw. And we're going to glue our top piece on first. Then we'll glue our front. Okay, you want to put on quite a bit like that, and we're going to clamp it down. Okay, now that we got it all clamped up, we'll wait a while. Okay, now that it's all dried up, we're going to make our sides next. Really easy. Okay, now that we got our pieces, we're going to glue the bottom in. Just like this. Same kind of glue. We got our top pieces all clamped up and our bottom. We're going to wait. We're going to wait for 2 hours, and we'll get back to work again. I did a back bottom piece. You don't have to, but it gives it more of a look, as you can see. I mean, you don't really see the back that much, so you don't have to. And then I did a top back piece where you can see I got 2 screws. I got one here and one right there, just because when you open it up, it's gonna be hitting just like that. Now we're gonna make the button piece that goes right here. in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna screw this piece from the back side. And I'm using a right angle attachment just so I can get in there. Okay, I made a smaller piece to put right on that top, right on top of that other one that we just did. And we're gonna do the same thing, screw it from the back. We're gonna sand it down now. Now we're gonna paint. We got red, black, and white.